Move machine home. Change X0, Y0 without redrawing the part. Think of this as a launch point demo. The cut itself stays the same, but machine 0 moves to a safer starting spot. We will load a design, generate the path once, then use Set Home on the left toolbar to place a new X0, Y0 on the canvas. Imports open as a placement preview first. Click once on the canvas to commit the part into the job. Generate path locks the cut order first. From here on, we are only changing machine 0. Click Set Home on the left toolbar. Then drag the mouse to the spot where you want machine home to live and click once to place it. First, the orange X and Y home axes jump to the new machine 0. Next, the 0 mark on the top and left rulers updates too, so X0, Y0 now lives at that new location. Then the red machine path redraws from the new X0, Y0 to the first cut and back home at the end without rerunning Generate Path. Open G-code and the first rapid move is already updated to the new machine space X and Y values. The part geometry did not change. Set Home lets you move X0, Y0 visually. The axes, 0 point, generated path, and G-code all update together.